Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Samsung Galaxy phones, and more importantly, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Samsung phone. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, why would you want to factory reset your phone? Well, that's a pretty easy question to answer. If you're like me and you bought a used Samsung phone, most likely you want to make sure all the data is cleared from the previous user, and that's what we're going to do. So just to make sure things very clear, we're doing the factory soft reset. If you need to do a hard reset, if you're having some sort of software issues with your phone, that's going to be a completely separate video. Check my video description. I'll try to leave a link to my other video that I did that on. So you'll want to go ahead and log into your Samsung phone like what I've done. So just enter in your password. Once you've done that, it's a pretty easy process. What you want to do is swipe down from the top, just like this. All right, once you swipe down, then you're going to see this little gear icon right here. I'm going to click there now. All right, so once you click that gear icon, then you come up with the settings menu right here. And what you want to do is scroll all the way down until you get to this section right here called General Management. That's where you're going to be able to soft reset or factory reset your Samsung Galaxy phone. So I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, once you click there, then it's going to come up with this drop-down menu. Just keep in mind that if there is something that you want to save on your phone, you do want to back up your Samsung phone first before you do a factory reset. Once you've done that, then you can continue on with this process. So I'm going to click on this reset button right here because I've already backed up this phone. All right, next, you're going to come up with this drop-down menu. So as you can see right here, there is an option called Factory Data Reset for your Samsung Galaxy phone. Be sure to read the little information below it, and that way you are sure this is the option you want to choose. It says reset your phone to its factory default settings. This is going to erase all data, including files and downloaded apps. So I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, so once you click there, then it's going to give you this warning letting you know what's going to happen when you factory data reset your Samsung Galaxy phone. It also lets you know some other apps will be automatically installed once the reset is done. If all of that looks good, then you go ahead and click this blue reset button here at the bottom. I'm going to click there now. All right, once again, it gives you another warning letting you know that your downloaded apps will be erased and your personal information will be erased as well. Anything that's on your SD card will not be erased though. So if all of that looks good as far as soft resetting your Samsung Galaxy phone, then you want to go ahead and click this blue delete all button. I'm going to click there now. All right, it's shutting down. All right, now it looks like it's going into turn off. All right, now it's powering back up. All right, so now you can see Android working at erasing the phone. Okay, now the phone just powered cycled. That took about 1 minute. All right, guys, the phone just powered back on, and it looks like this process has taken about 8 minutes and 30 seconds. I kind of skipped over it, so you don't have to watch it go through, but basically it just cycled through, and now here we are. This is the factory setting home screen for your Samsung Galaxy S phone. So all you'll want to do is just go ahead and follow the prompts to log back into your Samsung Galaxy S phone. So again, this is the factory reset, the soft reset. If you're having software issues and are not able to access the menu from your screen for some reason, go back and watch my other video that shows you how to hard reset a Samsung S Galaxy phone. And if you happen to know an easier way to do a factory reset on your Samsung phone, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.